you guys want to see that dirty old Ranger dug out. So let's go dig him out. Grab this chain. Go drag this dirty old thing out. Gonna need a little assistance from our pal here. She's free. Just about, anyway. Isn't she a beaut? You guys think a little tailgate? He was never glued, he was just always sitting there. Throw that in. Oh, it might fall out too, actually. Girl's coming back to life. Logs on this trip proved to be a bit difficult. You guys watch over here for me, make sure I don't hit that chev. For anyone wondering where the Cummins has been, she's still too soft for that old beast. You fellas could steer for me. What a fucking hard time. Not a big deal. Not too big of a deal, boys. We got her. spirit. It's not all there. Oh, there it goes again. And bad spot. What do you think? Do you think it's just the spider gears? Because if it is, guess what? I'm going to weld the next one. Won't do that again. Won't do that again. See, this side I think it's just as bad a wheel bearing. Hard to tell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, there's just a big plate of steel in there for the brake pad. You don't need brake pads. Shock. Let loose a little bit. Let's do up a list, I guess. So we got wheel bearings are root, no brakes. You got no cab mounts at all. This is carpet. Yeah, that's carpet. Okay, so yeah, no cab. I think this is the clutch line getting pinched. Yeah, he's getting pinched. You don't need to worry about the clutch line getting pinched. What else do we get here? So yeah, the rear cab mount, he's doing good. He's really held on. Oh yeah. Oh yes. And the frame is perfect. You don't even got to worry about the frame. Look at it. That's barely even caved in. Okay. I have a transfer case. I guess I did take the cats out of this one too. That's why she was so loud the other day. That makes sense. Okay. What else do we got here? That's no good. I think this bad girl's held in still, halfway. So we only got one shock in the back. And this bad girl is welded. It's the way they should be. We got a little bit of she got a little bit of fresh damage here, a little bit of fresh pitch. And this kind of fell off. I guess the carpet didn't hold it in anymore. You mean that never held that in there? Come on. Why not? Oh. Oh, jumping. Oh, she's being stubborn now. She's all upset for getting drug on them trees. The freshest stuff. This is all old here. She's got a lot of damage already sustained, but I think she's got a lot more she can take. She's long from dead yet. So I got the transfer case back into her. Drive shaft's in. Front drive shaft's hooked up, even though the diff's not much good. But we'll run her until she piles up. Of course, I'd stole the exhaust off it, so I had to build a bit of a dump exhaust here to go back on, make her not so loud. But yeah, she should be back to moving again. That one's still on the bead, but put some air in the tires and she's good to go. Weld that exhaust on. We got her back going again, fellas. Should be good. Fire her up here.